Today we're looking at the Dyno KWIK KP-100, one of our more popular items here. KWIK is a pretty simple tool. It's got one pick in it and operates as such. You unscrew the back here and a little pin holder slides out and becomes a tension wrench. Set this aside and show you how this works. So we're going to tighten that back up, unscrew this little over here and slide out the spring-loaded pick. Now it comes with the Jag snake pick, which is very popular. Now this can be used as a regular pick or a rake. There we go. So slide that out, lock it in, and it's spring loaded. Let's go. Slides right back into place there. Or you can tighten the screw and actually use it as just a pick as well. This slides back right in there for the tension wrench to conceal away nice and easily. And there you go. This is the Dyno KWIK KP-100, found at bumpmylock.com.